Sophia and Tesla are humanoid robots. Sophia is designed as a social humanoid robot. It focuses on interacting with humans through conversation, facial expressions, and emotional responses. It is used in public engagements, education, and as a research platform for AI-human interaction. It can understand language and interact with users. It uses facial expressions and limited body movements to simulate emotions. teslabot is designed for practical, physical tasks in industrial and domestic settings. teslabot's purpose is to automate repetitive and potentially unsafe tasks for humans, like factory work or basic chores. It can handle objects and perform tasks similar to how humans would. Still under development, with the goal of enhancing real-world utility. Sophia is a highly realistic humanoid face, modeled to express human-like emotions. It has a lifelike skin made of a material called rubber. The exposed back of the head shows mechanical components, emphasizing its robotic nature. teslabot has a sleek, minimalistic design resembling a futuristic mannequin. It has no facial features or emphasis on human-like expressions. It is designed to be functional and lightweight, focusing on movement and task execution.